Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Qixi Fair Premium Pass for free Orchids. So, did you know that in here in this Qixi Fair event, you can unlock the Premium Pass, and in here you can potentially get a huge amount of extra Orchids while basically getting your hard diamonds back. And so yeah, it sounds almost free, and here's how it works. First, just open the TC Fair event by tap on this club icon, and then just tap on the start at the TC Fair event, this one. And then in here, you can see the total roles menu on here, and then just simply tap on the unlock advanced tier, this one. Just tap on this button, and then in here you can see to unlock the premium pass, you will need 180 hard diamonds, this one. So if you have enough hard diamonds, you can just simply confirm the purchase and your premium pass will be activated immediately. And to get the hard diamonds, you just need to subscribe in this game. And then after you successfully unlock this premium pass, you will unlock an additional reward, the extra orchids on here. You will get this orchid as you progress through the GC Fair game board on here. And here's the interesting part. If you complete all the premium pass all the way to the end, you can get 180 hard diamonds back as one of the final rewards. So make sure you keep to play this board game until 100 rolls, and in here you can get this hard diamond back. So technically, if you complete the entire pass, you can recover the same amount of hard diamonds that you spent to unlock this premium pass, while keeping all the extra rewards that you earned along the way. So that's why this premium pass can feel almost like a free upgrade. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!